Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Mike. We're back here for tip number 39 in our medical exercise training ebook one-on-one series. Now, tip number 39 is going to talk about some of our certifications. And we've added an additional certification since the publication of this ebook. So please, if you would bear with me as I read this, and I'll add information on our advanced medical exercise specialist certification. So, what are the medical exercise specialist, post-rehab conditioning specialist, and medical exercise program director certifications? What can each one do, and can these certifications help? We were the first organization to offer post-rehab or medical exercise certifications. We started back in 1994 with our medical exercise specialists. It has become the gold standard around the world for medical exercise professionals working with medically based clients. In 1998, we added a post-rehab conditioning specialist certification, and the PRCS, or post-rehab conditioning specialist, is an entry-level certification for medical exercise professionals. And the MES is the fitness professional looking to focus on and specialize in medical exercise training. So we started with the MES, and the MES is the most intense and most in-depth of the two certifications, the MES or the PRCS. The PRCS is a scaled down version of the MES, and the PRCS gives you the ability to manage a large range of medically based clients with exercise. Whereas the MES not only looks at the exercise, but the assessment process, the administrative process, and the business building component. So the MES is more information covering a wider spectrum. But with the PRCS, you're going to get the same medical exercise training guidelines and protocols as you will with the MES. But with the PRCS, we don't go in depth into the assessment process. Let's talk about the program director. The medical exercise program director is trained to develop, administer, market, and promote a MET program or facility in any setting. The MET or medical exercise program director also is the liaison between the fitness facility and the medical community. The MEPD educates medical professionals, clients, insurance carriers, and employers on the benefits of MET in the management of medical conditions. Finally, the MEPD educates the MESs and PRCSs in the MET facility to continue to enhance their skills, knowledge, and understanding of medical exercise training techniques. MEPDs receive advanced training in pharmacology, ergonomics, advanced senior fitness techniques, advanced assessment techniques for the knee, shoulder, spine, ankle, foot, lumbar, and cervical spines. The MEPD also completes our medical exercise training systems modules, which reviews how to install and implement practice management systems to streamline and maximize revenue, outcomes, and referral relationships in a medical exercise training setting. Our certifications are designed for fitness professionals to move beyond personal training and become part of the medical management team. Our programs bridge the gap between healthcare and fitness by providing education you need to develop safe and effective programs for a wide range of clients, as well as guidelines and techniques to develop referral relationships and communication with medical professionals. I am very proud of our medical exercise professionals around the world and the things they've been able to accomplish and establish referral relationships with medical professionals, and some have received insurance reimbursement for medical exercise training services. This means medical professionals know, like, and trust our certified members. Many have also established strong and profitable practices that enhance health, function, and wellness in their communities and make a positive difference. Folks, the most important thing I've found over the last 31 years is medical exercise training is here to stay. We started it as just kind of a thought process that we wanted to bridge the gap. But we've seen over the last 31 years that need has grown exponentially. So if you would check out our MES, PRCS, or MEPD, and our next certification we've added is our Advanced Medical Exercise Specialist. We started to see in the early 2020s the need for someone that had more advanced training because the clients you're seeing are becoming more complicated and more involved. So hence we developed the Advanced Medical Exercise Specialist to give you more information on how to manage that more complicated client that had multiple comorbidities along with a major medical issue, and now also how to assess that client, train that client, and communicate better with the medical community. So we've added now our fourth certification, and the thing we see over the horizon is the need for medical exercise training will continue to grow. So please, if you would, make sure you go over to MET 101 ebook, download your free copy of our MET 101 ebook series. And I think you'll find there are a lot of tips in here. There are 101 tips that we've learned or answered for our MESs from around the world in helping build their medical exercise training practices. So download a copy. And if you have any questions for me, email me at drmike@postrehab.com.